In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quote on Reddit. If you want to highlight someone's words, reply with a quoted section, or make your post easier to read, Reddit's quote formatting tool makes that very simple. I'll walk you through exactly where to find it and how to use it so your quoted text appears clearly inside a quote block. To get started, go to your Reddit home dashboard. This is the main screen you see after opening Reddit and signing in. Starting from the home dashboard makes it easy to access the post editor and create a new post with the formatting tools you need. Once you're on the Reddit home dashboard, click on Create in the top right corner. This opens the post creation area where you can type your title and body text. If you're planning to include a quote in a post, this is the place where all of Reddit's built-in formatting options are available. Take a moment to look at the editor layout, especially the section below the body text box, because that's where you'll find the quote feature. Next, look at the bottom row of formatting options below the body field and click on the quote icon. It's located between the spoiler icon and the code icon. This is the button that turns on quote formatting. If you've never used Reddit's text tools before, this row is where you can also find other formatting options. But for this tutorial, you'll want to focus specifically on the quote icon. After you click the quote icon, the text you enter will now appear within the quote block. This means anything you type in that section will be visually formatted as a quote, making it stand out from the rest of your post. This is useful when you want to cite another user's words, reference part of an article, or separate quoted material from your own commentary. As a general tip, make sure you only place the text you actually want quoted inside the quote block, so your post stays neat and easy to understand. Quoting is especially helpful when you want to add context without mixing someone else's words with your own. And that's all it takes to quote on Reddit. Once you know where the quote icon is, the process is quick and easy, and it can make your posts much clearer and more organized.